If you like birds, if you like spacecraft, if you like trains, if you like other aircraft and simulations, this video is for you. All right, believe it or not, my wife and I document alien activity here at Port St. Lucie. Our cameras show us what's here. Okay, these birds are not from Earth. They've been with me for a year now. Okay, they're showing you what's here and more. Okay, every bird on the screen is not from Earth, believe it or not. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, back up to the UFO. Oh, the bird's showing me. I don't know. It's right there. I just can't see it again. It should be in the center of the screen. Oh, I see the springs jerking, so I'm gonna get the data on this one too. So if you guys see that one, let me know. Seriously, what are you guys doing? They're here. They're not Carla. I'm glad you guys are here. Yep, I know exactly who you are. So here they are again. Today's the 9th. I'll start this video off. So today's the birds and whatever else they want to make, okay? Right. Okay, if I follow the bird, you should see the aircraft. I can barely see. Beautiful though. Hold on. Pretty sure you're right there. Yeah, it's my friend, close friend by the way. You should barely see. Really hoping you're centering yourself. These birds are not north. So I don't want to keep filming because I don't know if I have you on there or not. See you in a bit. Three red lights, whatever that means. It's going through the crossing. Nothing down there. I don't understand it. Three red lights. I don't know. Nobody knows what three red lights mean. They do. Beautiful. So, three red lights. Don't know. Got you centered. Oh, it's cute. Showing you stuff that was windy and hard to see today. Let's just look over there real quick. Very pretty. Hang on by. Where are you going? I don't know what's going on. Don't know. Got you through the window now. Yeah. I need to get some sunglasses or something. These birds are getting hard to see. Coming over. Beautiful. I can see like this. I think you're buzzing now. when you see these birds all the time. All the time. Pretty soon here. There's the aircraft coming. Oh, there it is. They're showing me. It's so hard for me to see this right now. It's out there, guarantee it. Where are you going? So you either see the birds and it's the aircraft. But they're the same thing, really. They really are. We'll get the next one. I know you. Anything else? Oh, there's another one. I think I can see this one better. Should be centered. I'm waiting for my screen to do something so I can see. It's just so bright right now. So we had the sun, we had alien birds, simulated whatever that is over there. Anything else? I hear you. There you are. Perfect. Thanks. You can see this one. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's what they look like. Just slow it down, okay? All you have to do. Slow it down. It's not an aircraft, it'll give you tracking in a second. You're gone totally now. Still there. Like I said, they're so hard to see, that's why. So my camera shows you this. I'm doing it for a year. I'm gonna get tracking. Watch the gates. Look what's coming. Maybe nothing's coming. This is a slow train. Hi. Zoom along, beautiful. Hi. Look down there. There are 3 red lights again. Behind me, it's working. I don't understand this. I'm pretty sure I can see the gates that are up. And I'm pretty sure that 3 red lights means you don't go. You can still do this. Look, 3 red lights going right through it. I don't understand. I don't hear anything again. Okay, the crossing is right there. It's before the lights. You can see right there. I don't get it. How are you? Windy for you, huh? I'll see you. Thank you. I like this filming still. Alright. I saw you over there too. You want to show me this? I want you guys to see this. Flying on by. I hear that. I hear it. Just don't see it. Oh, there you are. Oh! He's my friend again. Smoky Mountain Henderson. Same little aircraft you see all the time. They're gonna keep doing this. Okay? They're gonna keep doing this until the government realizes that they're pretty sure that they know. Okay? Okay? My camera shows you that they are. That's what they look like. Just tangled. They're I don't know what it means. They're all doing the same thing. All spacecraft that hook together, they form a projection of an aircraft. Okay, Jensen Beach again. We're not alone. There's birds here too. Lots of birds. This entire thing here, if you can see it now, is down. I'm not going to get tracking on this one, but these are cool, but you see at least the bird's flying in front of it. Look, what are the odds the bird's going to fly right in front of it? I made this. Yes, they did. Lots of them. Thank you for making that. Very pretty. Alright, see you later. Oh, that's it. Okay? You guys make that aircraft look. Well, you can see it. There's an aircraft flying by. Okay? And then look at the background. How are you guys doing? I like your aircraft. I'm going to get tracking, okay? back there. Look at this. I don't know what they're doing. Oh no. They're all circling over here too. Yep, I know. The whole bunch is not. I'm gonna run in the store. Don't surprise me. Yeah, go ahead, surprise me. It's like right over. There's some land. Yeah, I know what you are. Below the moon. Right on over it. More, again, is that what you think they are? Track again. Okay, either is this. Thank you. We're just here for a reason. There's my friend again. Buzzing. Hey, I'd rather have you buzz, at least I know who you are, okay? On top of Walmart. Saying hi. It's gonna make a whole day of collection. You are seriously buzzing still. There's more. There we go. Oh, you made it the aircraft. Thank you. You're so good. And you don't even need to slow it down. Okay? These are little spacecraft connected together, making it like a projection, just like a regular LCD projection. I will get tracked. There we go. See, as it flies away. And, you know, as not just here, there's thousands, hundreds of thousands actually, of this one civilization alone. Right now, I told you, experts are in charge. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, it's the aircraft. I have to go. I really do have to go. Fine. Thank you for the aircraft. Thank you. Thank you. Whatever, human. Beautiful. How close they are now? Okay. Look how beautiful these birds are. By the way, underneath the wing, I wanted to show you something. I know it's hard for them to hold it. It's pretty windy, but they're holding pretty steady. Holding pretty steady. I don't speak birds, so something else going on here. There we go. I know who you are. Look. Buzzball again. Well, when they actually disappear, this is kind of how they do it. But there's some shit in that fuzz right now. Another beautiful bird coming over. Oh, there we go. You just hold it here, they can just line themselves up. Beautiful. The whole row. I'll have to put the charger on. Is that you? A lot of background. We'll get that fixed. I see you over there. Over here. See how they're turning for you? That's what I get underneath the wing like that. As long as you're not fuzzy. Beautiful. Space Invaders tonight. We're gonna play Atari Space Invaders, and then we're gonna watch Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Okay. Tracking's at the end. Sorry about the audio. Buzzing. Okay. I'd rather have you buzz if I know who you are. Okay. Top of Walmart. Take your time. And make a whole day of collection art. Does that. Slow it down, okay? Seriously, slow down. I swore I saw some birds over there. Yeah, I did. I don't know where they went. I don't know. I don't see birds. I don't know what that. Sometimes it's birds. And they're fuzzing in and out of reality. I won't say anything other than that. I know what you are. It's going straight across. Look at the birds. Okay. Look all the birds behind it. Right across the parking lot. Again, it's not what you think it is, okay? Alright, next one, it's right over. Almost right over. Oh, there it goes again. Slow that down, slow that down. Show us what it is. Again, show you. Same thing at nighttime, okay? This is what they look like. Okay? That's all they look like. Let's make it back out again. My camera shows me what's here. It's that simple. And like I said, above us is something very, very large. It's really hard to see right now, but it is. Everything is simulated. All right, track. Walmart Supercenter, right behind the store. I heard you flying over from inside, so I'm gonna check this. Okay? This little guy right there. Okay, right. Look, you still see him. Look at that guy. Looking at the beautiful moon. Look at that now. They're really showing you this. Walmart Supercenter, Port St. Lucie, Florida. Again. Right. I'm looking around real fast. Look how pretty this is. Nice, pretty colors tonight. A little more purpley though. Alright, back up to the moon. You guys are breaking it out. They are really doing it now. Remember, my camera shows me what's here, believe it or not. St. Lucie, Florida, Walmart Supercenter. Today's the night.